Convert from XML to Excel. You have the perfect XML file with all of your product or statistic data, and now you need this data in Microsoft Excel format. The great thing is that Microsoft Excel provides an export feature so you can convert files that are in formats like CSV, comma-separated values, or even XML, extensible markup language, to XLS format. In this quick how-to we will do a conversion. I highly recommend to make sure your file is valid. This means that your XML document is error-free. Step 1. First of all, open Microsoft Excel. In this example I am using Microsoft Excel from Office 2003. Go to File, Open. Select your XML file from your computer. You can also use the filter to find only XML files. Next to the item files of type in the Open dialog box, select XML files, .xml, from the drop-down menu. Step 2. How do you want it opened? Microsoft Excel will next ask you how you want it opened. There are a few options, as an XML list, as a read-only workbook. Use the XML Source task pane. Select the option as an XML list. Step 3. Does the files have an XML schema or DTD, document type definition, file? Well, Microsoft Excel is clever enough to actually check to see if the XML file is referring to an external XML schema or DTD file. If one exists, it asks about retrieving it for you. If the XML file is simple and does not have an XML schema, then it will create one for you. Step 4. Save your file and you are done. Go to File, Save As. Provide your new Excel file with the name and you are done.